In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Stripe account and get it ready to accept payments, all based on the latest 2025 processes and features. Stripe, as many of you might already know, is a global payment processing platform that enables businesses to safely accept a wide range of payment methods. Whether it's credit cards, digital wallets, or bank transfers, Stripe handles transactions across borders smoothly, depositing funds directly into your local bank account. Let's walk through the steps to set up your own Stripe account. We'll start by heading over to stripe.com. Once there, you'll want to look for the buttons that say Start Now or Sign Up. Clicking on either of these will kick off your Stripe journey. You'll need to enter your email address, your full name, and a password. Select your country of incorporation as well. After you've filled in these initial details, keep an eye on your inbox because Stripe will send you an email verification link. Make sure to click on that link to verify your email address, as this is a crucial step to getting your account fully activated. Once you've verified your email, the next step is to provide your business information. This is where you'll need to plug in some essential details such as your business's legal name, its structure, whether that's a sole proprietorship or a corporation, the country you operate in, the industry you're part of, and a website or social media profile that represents your business. You may also need to provide a tax ID if that applies to your region. Don't forget to fill in your business address and a contact phone number. These are vital for Stripe to keep in touch with you. Moving along, you'll need to provide some personal information for verification purposes. Stripe, like many financial services, is required to comply with regulations, so it needs to verify your identity. That's why you'll be asked for your legal name, your date of birth, and your home address. Additionally, you'll need to upload a government-issued ID, a driver's license or passport works best, and in some cases, you might also be asked to upload a utility bill or bank statement to confirm your address. Now it's time to link your bank account for payouts. Enter your bank account details, such as the routing and account numbers or their local equivalents, depending on your country. Stripe offers flexibility here, allowing you to choose a payout schedule that suits your business needs, be it manual, daily, weekly, or monthly payouts. Don't overlook enabling two-step authentication. Opt for SMS codes, an authenticator app, or a passkey to add an extra layer of security. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to carefully review all the details you've entered. This step is critical in avoiding delays in account activation and future transactions. Once you're satisfied everything is correct, agree to Stripe's terms and click the Activate Payments button. Generally, verification should wrap up within 24 hours, and you'll be all set to start accepting payments. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up your Stripe account.